Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Systematic Motivation, ascending the youth into the STEM field one rocket at a time. On today's episode, I'll be doing a small volcanic experiment using some Coca-Cola bottles I actually didn't throw away, decided to recycle, and had these laying around, so here they are. So for our volcanic experiment, we will be using baking soda and vinegar. Both of these products I got from the dollar store, and sometimes people just have these lying around the house. A lot of times you do. And again, I got the glitter. I got these from Walmart, and I got some food coloring from Walmart as well. So if you want to see how I created a volcanic eruption using some everyday glass bottles, stay tuned. It would be better for you to use a funnel, but since I don't have a funnel, I'm just gonna wing it. Hey, this is for the kids anyway. Do it for the kids, right? So I'm just gonna create a little funnel out of the cardboard here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour a little bit of this baking soda into your bottle. It's your favorite food coloring, maybe like 1, 2, 3 drops. Now you're gonna take some glitter. I love glitter. Like, oh my gosh, if everything I wore and ate and, you know, if everything around me was glitter, I would literally be like the happiest person in the world. I'm gonna just drop just a tad bit in. So now our volcano is ready to be erupted. The kids are gonna love this. For one, because it's super messy, and for two, this is literally a science fair classic. The only thing that I didn't do was create a whole styrofoam and plastic and cardboard volcano. Everyday products gets it done. And you can do this too if your child does want to do a volcano experiment for their science fair project. Before you get all the way there, you can start with this just to see if they're interested in it, and then create your whole big massive masterpiece. Okay, you're gonna pour in your vinegar, and this is just regular white distilled vinegar from the dollar store, but it's probably laying around your house right now. But this is white vinegar. I could cook with this tonight. I should have tested this first to make sure it worked, but oh well, here we go. Here goes nothing. Okay, so as you saw, the more vinegar, the more baking soda, it literally erupted. I'm so glad I have this pan here because that was going to be really bad to clean up. Oh my gosh. So the red one, that was the biggest, that was the most baking soda we used and the most vinegar we used. And as you saw, it literally came spouting out. Your kids will love this. This is something to do on the weekend, just to continue to keep their interest in science, math, and technology. It would have been more cool or more math related to measure out each quantity before you begin based on what level of reaction you want out of your volcanoes. and also to measure the amount of vinegar that you would like to use too, based on the level of eruption that you would like. But since this was my first time doing this and adding the glitter to it, that was so cool. That was such a great idea. That's what we got. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more videos. This is just the beginning. And again, we are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, Systematic Motivation. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe below. Thanks.